Hello everyone, I'm Shen.
Hello everyone, I'm Huiyang Shen, co-founder of Shenzhou Stove Manufacturer, SSM, and I would like to give you a tour of the company today. SSM was founded in 1979. We have more than 40 years of experience manufacturing fuel-efficient stoves and nearly 20 years of experience making clean biomass cook stoves. In 2007, we began a stove design partnership with the Aprovecho Research Center in the United States and expanded our product line into the production of wood stoves, charcoal stoves, and pellet stoves. Now there are two factories, Unit 1 and Unit 2, with a total area of 29,800 square meters. We are currently in the third rebuilding and expansion in SSM's history. In 2022, when construction is complete, we will have another 10,000 square meters of production space. Our main office building holds new product research and development, production logistics, sales, and after-sales service. This is our product exhibition room, displaying stove designs produced by SSM throughout our history. There are wood stoves, charcoal stoves, and pellet stoves. Here are the important awards we have won in China and abroad. The pictures on the wall show our significant milestones and global partners over the last 20 years. This is our new laboratory that was built in 2019 in accordance with the latest ISO 19867 standard. We test the thermal efficiency, emissions, and durability of our stoves to provide scientific basis for further design improvements. Here is the ceramic workshop, which produces the core part of the stoves, the insulating ceramic chamber. After the raw materials are processed, mixed, shaped, dried, fired, and cut, the finished piece will be sent to the assembly workshop. The specially formulated ceramic is resistant to high temperatures, thermally insulating, and low density to create durable, high-performance insulation. This is a new production building with 3 floors. We will install an automated assembly line on the first floor. After the stove body is cut, rolled, welded, beaded, and stamped, the finished part will travel directly to the powder coating workshop on a conveyor belt. The finished parts will return to the assembly workshop on the second floor, improving production efficiency. Our stove manufacturing capacity will increase to 2 million stoves annually, and the number of assembly staff can be reduced by 50%. The new factory building is expected to come online in May 2021. This is the powder coating workshop where we process parts that need rust prevention and coloring. After cleaning, drying, powder coating, and oven curing, they are ready for assembly, providing the stove a longer lifespan and polished appearance. The waste gas and water are filtered, precipitated, chemically and biologically treated until they meet environmental standards. Then we reuse the wastewater for the ceramic products, eliminating pollution to the surrounding environment. This is our factory, unit number 2. It is divided into 3 parts: the metal workshop, assembly workshop, and the packing and storage workshop, in order to ensure that our stove parts are produced according to the design requirements. We have independently developed advanced automatic production equipment. This machine combines several steps such as cutting, rolling, welding, and beading, which greatly improves the consistency of metal parts and reduces labor hours. The Jet Flame is a brand new clean cook stove accessory developed through a collaboration by SSM, Global Health Labs, and the Aprovecho Research Center. A high-pressure fan blows air into the cast iron plenum and through 30 jet holes to evenly distribute air underneath the fire. The jets of air blow into the charcoal and through the flames, ensuring there is enough oxygen to help the fuel burn more completely. It can reduce smoke emissions up to 80%, protecting your health and your family. Cooking with the intense concentrated heat of the jet flame is more efficient. You cook faster and can reduce fuel use by 60%.
减少80%的烟尘。
Let's follow the jet flame through the production process to see how it's made. The first process is completed here at our cutting machine. The body of the jet flame is made of stainless steel and galvanized sheet.
2种材料组成，将在这里完成第一道工序。这是different。
Here, production staff are stamping and forming stainless steel and galvanized parts. These are the finished cast iron and galvanized parts that have been powder coated. This is the assembly workshop. Experienced and highly skilled staff ensure that the stove is assembled correctly and quickly. Here they are assembling the cast iron plenum with the high-pressure fan. This is the last step in the assembly process. The production staff are polishing the finished product to ensure that there are no rough edges. Staff use the power bank to confirm that each unit is working correctly, and the speed control is within specification. SSM has strict quality control standards. Before shipping, products are tested again and go through a final visual inspection. The last step is packaging. Each product is shipped in a nice-looking box including a protective layer to ensure that the product is not damaged during transportation and is safely delivered to customers.